Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to bring text in front of a picture in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and click on Blank Presentation to create a new presentation. Now let's delete this. Then go to Insert and select Text Box. To insert a text box, let's type hello, for example. Let's change the size. Now go to Insert again and click on Pictures to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures to insert a picture, an online picture. Let's select this picture, for example, then click on Insert. Now, let's duplicate this slide. So the first option is to right-click on the picture, then click on Send to Back. The second way is to click on the picture and then go to Format and click on Selection pane. And here you can bring the text box in front of the picture. You can drag the picture or the text box to place them. And the third way is to drag the picture, then click on the text box, right click on it, and select Bring to Front. And now you can reposition your picture again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!